Alright, this is our NDB box setup. This is using a 450 watt power supply, and how these work is you feed power into each side of it. So there's 16 ports that go out to lights, and so it's split in half. You got 8 and 8, so you feed up to 20 amps onto each side, and these go out onto our strings that are on our tunnel. And this, of course, it's easier to film outside of an enclosure, but these will get put into a plastic enclosure to keep the weather out. Alright, this is our NEC controller, and sitting under it is a network switch. So what happens is we have 3 NDB boxes feeding into this network switch, and then the NEC box gets plugged into the network switch, and then it controls all 3 of the NDB boxes through here. And for this tunnel, all we're doing is the built-in effects on the NEC controller. It's actually designed for things that are 2-dimension like this, so you just put it in light show mode, and you can go in and dial in your effects a little bit for what you like and change the colors and speeds and things like that. And that's pretty simple to set up. And again, this will go into a plastic enclosure. It can't sit out here in the weather like this, but for testing we've just got them all out. Alright, so we've built an aluminum frame, and this is 41 frames, each with 40 lights on them. We're using the Minleon Tricklet lights. They're spaced at a foot, and each of the frame pieces here are 5 feet apart. So our total tunnel length that you're looking down here is 200 feet. And the lights we've just kind of lined up here. You zip tie them in as needed, and the goal is to have everything just lined up as close as you can. So we'll go back through and polish these up, but this is wide enough that cars can drive under, so when the light park's going, they drive their cars through here and get kind of a really cool experience. So we'll go and show you how it looks at night next.